Hey everybody, how you doing? Welcome back to Ryker Rides. I'm loving all your comments and compliments and suggestions. Thank you so much. One of the most common questions I get is about my blue stripes and about my wrap. So I'm actually heading to Tint World. I added some more blue to the fenders or the front wheel covers. And I'm going over to Tint World, and maybe we can get in and get a little sneak peek on how the process is done and give you a little insider kind of look at that. Hopefully Chris is working on my bike. I like him, and he'll let me videotape him, I'm sure. So hopefully that works. As far as wrapping the bike, originally I wanted to wrap the entire bike in blue, and the material of the Ryker is that plasticky, kind of has a little bit of a sheen to it, makes for very hard to wrap. So we were planning on doing all of it, but Chris is the one that said it's not going to hold around the sides of the fenders, so we're going to have to kind of do something else, and then that's when the whole stripe thing evolved. So yes, you can wrap it. There are many really good pre-cut wraps out there, and I'll put a link below. If I was doing it again, as much as I like my blue stripes and I love it, but for the same amount of money you can get a full really cool wrap if you use one of those custom wraps. And as always, I will put the link in the description below of what I recommend and what I've heard people have used and does very well. And another great option is to Plasti dip your bike or any pieces you want. And I've heard great things about Plasti dip because just like a wrap, you can peel it off. If you get bored of it, it's very easy to kind of change it out, make a whole new looking bike. And the other option, of course, is painting your bike. Painting, of course, is permanent unless you redo the paint job, but you're actually changing your bike on a more permanent level. I like changing it out a lot, so I'll probably keep the blue stripes for maybe 6 months, a year, I don't know, probably a year, and then switch them out to something else. So let's head to Tint World and see how they're doing over there. Hopefully they're working on it and we can kind of get in there. I've had a very good experience at this place, so let's go check it out. Okay, Chris is working today, so we're gonna go in and see how he's doing. Hopefully he'll explain a little bit to us, see how things work. Let's go check it out. And he's adding some more blue to the mud flaps down there. Is that what that part is called, mud flaps?
I would say so.
It's a very tough job. He's doing great. This is the after. This is what I'm adding today. So he's got all those tools right here to smooth it out, and applying lots of heat to make it stick. And the key for wrapping it is folding it underneath.
All the way.
All the way, so it doesn't peel up. So you don't even see that part, but it keeps it from coming out. The only area we're a little bit concerned about is right on top here, because there's nothing to kind of wrap around. So we're just hoping it kind of sits nicely and stays put. That's okay. definitely not a job I wanted to do myself. I did all the other work on the bike myself, switched everything out, did a lot of cool projects, but this is not something I wanted to take on. This one little error has taken him a long time. Can you imagine doing the whole bike? And you spray that before to help it stick.
Just to clean it, yeah, clean any
To clean it?
wax or anything off.
Perfect. Thanks so much for doing such a great job. It's like performing surgery.
Okay.
So I do want to give a shout out to Tint World in Coconut Creek, Florida, and especially to Chris, who's been working on my bike tirelessly, like literally laying down. Tint World is all over the country, and they actually have one in Saudi Arabia, so I just learned that a second ago. So if you want your car tinted or wrapped, they do great work. Very meticulous. Thanks, Chris.
I'm gonna re-edge that.
Thanks for watching another video of what I'm doing on my bike. Thanks for staying interested. And do me a favor, smash the button right there, the little subscribe button. It helps me out, lets me know that you like it, lets me know that you love it, and lets me know you want some more content. So let me know. Boom, this button right here. Woo. And also leave me a comment. I love comments. Leave me a comment what you like about the bike, what you think you would have done differently, or if you have any suggestions of what you'd like to see me do to my bike. I'm thinking of adding some music, some lights, some other stuff. Just keep me going. Are you guys interested at all if I drive around South Florida and show some videos of that, or you want it to be mostly tutorials? Let me know what you're interested in, and I'll keep the comments, keep the content coming. You keep the comments coming, and I'll keep the content coming. Thank you. Ride safe, and always be kind to one another.